Happy Thursday. Let's get to work. Let's see what we have to work on today. 10 o'clock Zoom. Bring a pencil and paper and your fat book with you because we have some work to do. But let's look at what else you have to do. PE, Go Noodle. We're going to do Maximo videos today. So choose 4. Math is going to be kind of like yesterday. You're going to watch a Frog Dude video from Google Classroom, and then you're going to go to Seesaw and do a practice page in there, just like you did yesterday. And you guys did good work with that. For reading today, you get to read all about, I forget, I just looked too. What is it about? Oh, it's about like friendship and empathy and being kind to each other. There's a couple of cool stories in there. So day 9 today, you have the video to watch, the story to read, and 3 puzzlers to do, all right? Then you're gonna do 5 perfect sentences today. I want you to write them out with pencil and paper because it's good practice to remember how to write with pencil and paper still. And you're going to use in each of your 5 sentences, I want you to use a synonym for the word fast. So like a cooler way to say fast. We're going to come up with a bunch of synonyms for the word fast in our Zoom session. And then once our Zoom session's over, I'll take a picture of it and put it up in your assignments page 2 so you can click on the link and look at it if you need to, if you don't make it to our Zoom or if you miss writing it down. But that'll be your writing assignment. Now, you're going to write with pencil and paper because it's good to remember how to write with pencil and paper still. But if you want to turn it in and show it to me, some of you have figured this out with some assignments already, you can go into Seesaw and just add an assignment for me. If you have to click over on the right in kind of the blue, you have to click journal, and then on the left you can press the add button, the big plus sign, and it'll let you add a picture. So you can click photo, and then you hold up your paper in front of the camera and you take a picture and it'll go up on Seesaw and I can see it. Or if that's a little tricky to figure out, you can have mom or dad or someone help you figure out how to just take a picture on the cell phone and then email it to me. Some kids have been doing that, and I love to see your handwritten work that way. So if you want to, you can turn in your handwritten work that way. Or you can just show your sentences to mom or dad or whoever's helping you with your work and let them check it real quick, okay? So 5 perfect sentences. Try and use a different synonym for the word fast in each sentence. Then for spelling and grammar today, we're going to talk a little bit at Zoom about when we use commas, when we're talking about dates and places and things like that. And then you're going to go into Seesaw and do a quick little activity about how to put commas in when you're writing the date, right? Read 20 minutes, chapter book reading. No one's been emailing me and telling me about what books they finished. Are you doing your reading? Do your reading. And then for science today, you have a fun Nearpod activity. So just click the link and type in it says, like it has you type in your name. You don't need a password or anything. You just need to put your name in so I know who did the work. So you just type your name in and then no password or anything. It doesn't have to be a special name or it's just put your name in there because when you get it turned in, it'll just turn your name in with it. So I'll know, oh, that's who did this one. And it talks about the water cycle. So we've been learning about freshwater habitats, and obviously water is very important to freshwater habitats. And freshwater habitats like lakes and rivers and ponds and streams are an important part of our water cycle, about how on Earth we have all the same water. It doesn't disappear or just magically appear from anywhere. It all just gets used over and over. So when it rains, that water falls down and joins the lakes and rivers and streams and ponds, and then at some point that water will evaporate and go back into the cloud system sometime and then come back down as rain and go into a lake or a river or a pond and then evaporate and come down, and it's all the same water gets reused over and over again. It's called the water cycle. So do the Nearpod activity and you'll have a chance to learn a little bit more about the water cycle. And that's it. show up to the Zoom. I'm going to embarrass some kids and show off some really good work that they've been doing. We've got a Mad Lib to do. We're going to do some math. We're going to work in your fat book. We got so much cool stuff to do. So come, be there. I'll see you. Keep up the good work. You guys are doing a great job. Keep it up.